Hey my lovelies, today I'm going to show you how to mask. Quite self-explanatory to be fair. So in masking you can use it for multiple things. You can make man-ups with it, you can use it for PNG cutouts, you can use it for even masking text and stuff like that. It's quite easy, so I'll just go through the basics with you. I will be uploading this onto YouTube and also onto my Discord for my academy, so if you're from either side, obviously this is a freebie one. I'm just uploading it for the sake of people asking for it, and I thought I had covered it, and apparently I haven't. So like the image in front of me, I've used actually the masking tool to create this manip, but I'll show you anyway on this edit. So you can do it multiple ways. You can do it with the lasso tool, you can do it with the polygonal lasso tool, you can do a magnetic tool. If you're using 2020 onwards, then you can use the quick selection tool, or if you haven't, you can use obviously the quick object select tool or the quick selection tool. So regardless of which one you use, you can use both. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use the object selection tool, just because it's so much easier. But basically, if you select an area, I'll switch over to my lasso tool and I'll use the add-on. If I wanted to say incorporate all of this, like so, maybe even some of our hair, to make this into a PNG cutout or to mask it, you would just click the little mask button down here. And that is how you get masking. Pretty simple, as you can tell. Obviously, if you want to adjust it, you'll get your paintbrush, not that brush, you would get a basic brush, whatever size, make it black, and you'll see on this little layer box here, in order to remove the background, you would have to use the black brush to remove it. So yeah, quite self-explanatory with that one. Exactly same applies if you wanted to then keep it, or same applies. If you want to keep it as that and you don't want to delete it, then you can right click on the actual layer and click apply. So you just got it as like a cutout, or you can click delete, you can disable it, you can subtract, you can do all sorts with it. There's also mask options and everything. So if I click delete, it comes back to normal as one layer. If you wanted to do text, I'll just do my character's name or display name. So there's my text. Say I wanted to have text going through the middle. The only difference, or the only different thing you'd have to do is you would have to click there and click inverse, and then you would have to click that button just to get rid of that bit in the middle, and then obviously you can write your text in between. And there you can put like your text in between if you're doing a masking on the text tool. Obviously you can adjust this as you see fit. The white still applies on this count, or the black rather, but because we don't want to add it, we want to subtract or put our writing back, you would need to use a white brush, and you can bring some like the font, the words back, or if you've got your box too big or something, you can neaten it up like that, so you have it just like a section rather than, or if you want to, you could obviously just go crazy with it, it's up to you. But that is pretty much masking, as easy as it sounds. If you just wanted like a section, you just say, I don't know, you want to make her wings. I'm being really awful at this, but if you wanted just that wing hypothetically, you could then mask it and just sort of do that wing, or it depends on how you want to do it, but that is the masking tool. It's super easy, and once you get the hang of it, you'll always be using it. So I hope that makes sense. If there is any questions, do let me know as always, and if you're on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, because I'm so close to being able to use my own custom URL. And yeah, I'll catch you guys real soon. Thanks for watching.